Hello everyone. I wanted to just take a moment and give you a quick video about how to go ahead and upload your PowerPoint presentation into the discussion board so that your classmates can view it. So here I am in the module that has the information about your final project. As you can see, here's the section where I mistakenly created an assignment and not a discussion board. So I edited that just to let you know to please go ahead and post your submission down here. So go ahead and click on this link and it's going to bring you to this section where it says please submit your PowerPoint here. And what you're going to do is you are going to hit reply. Once you hit reply, the next window is going to come down just like it does with the other discussion boards you've participated in. But what you might not have noticed is that down here in the corner, you're going to click on this link, attach. So once you've done that, you're going to click browse, and just like you would add anything to an assignment or anything, you're going to click on browse so that you can see what it is that you would like to upload. And this brought me right to one of my pages for our summer course. I'm not going to add anything to it, but what you would do is you would click on this, click open, and then click post reply. You can also type in here exactly what you'd like to say before you post your reply, and that way you can discuss if you wanted your attachment. I'm just going to click out of this because I don't need to attach anything, and I'm going to cancel that. If you have any questions, feel free to give me an email, and I will reply to you specifically. I'm looking forward to viewing everybody's PowerPoint presentation. I'm grading your podcast projects now, and very, very pleased with all of your hard work. You guys have been doing awesome this summer. I have to say I'm really, really impressed with the quality of work I've been seeing, and I hope that you are reading the comments that I leave for you and letting me know if you have any questions.